I am Srimati Deslaines from SVH Mahila Mahavidyalaya Malegaon. Here I would like to share video lessons for TYBSc Zoology students. Today I am starting with the first topic of the paper, Environmental Biology and Toxicology, that is Introduction to Environmental Biology, definition, basic concept and scope. So let us see what is environmental biology. Environmental biology is defined as it is one of the branch of science concerned with the interrelationship between organism and their environment, or the external surrounding, including abiotic and biotic factors which affect the survival and development of an organism. What is meant by abiotic and biotic factors? Abiotic factors are nothing but the non-living component of the ecosystem. For example, sunlight, temperature, precipitation, water, moisture, soil, etc. Biotic factors includes living component of the ecosystem. These are primary producers, that means plants, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, detrivorous. These two, abiotic and biotic factors, which affect the survival of organism. Ecology and environmental science, these two terms are synonyms of environmental biology. What is ecology? The term ecology was coined by combination of two Greek words, oikos meaning dwelling place and logos meaning the study of. Thus, ecology is defined as it is the study of organisms in their largest or natural home. Ecology has been divided into two important types. First one is autoecology and second one is synecology. What is the definition of autoecology? Autoecology means it is the study of individual species, or you may say that it deals with the study of individual organism or an individual species. Here the focus is on a life history and behavior as means of adaptation to the environment is made. For example, if you consider a teak tree in a tropical rainforest as a species, then we have to count the number of teak trees. That means teak trees population in the forest. We have to see the life cycle nutrient required for that tree, how the plant develop its taxonomy, response to climatic and other factors. Second one is the synecology, which deals with the study of group of organisms which are associated together as a unit. If you take the example of synecology, for example is a tropical rainforest, we can see the different types of plants such as big trees, shrubs, herbs, epiphytes, and also different groups of animals. All these plants and animals belongs to different groups, but they live together, interacting with one another. This constitutes the synecology. Okay, then comes to the basic level of organization. Yeah. Okay, then comes to the basic of ecology or level of organization in the ecology. In the picture, it is clear that there are some terminology associated with ecology, and these are: number one is individual, second population, third community, fourth ecosystem, fifth biome, and sixth biosphere. So let us see what is the difference between these. First, individual or organism, living being that has the ability to act or function independently. For example, plants, animals, bacteria, fungi. Then come to the second, what is population? Group of organisms of the same species occupying a defined area during a specific time is called as population. For example is the frog population. Here we are concentrating only in the frogs. Then come to the third, community. Group of different populations, how they are interact with each other is called as community. Community is the association of population of two or more different species occupying same geographical area for a particular time. For example, soil biota. It includes worms, bacteria, fungi, reptiles, etc. Then come to the ecosystem. Ecosystem is defined as a structural and functional unit of biosphere consisting of community of living beings and the physical environment, both interacting and exchanging material between them. That means ecosystem is a group of different community communicating with non-living component of the environment. For example is the marine ecosystem. Taking as an example of marine ecosystem, different kinds of organisms are present in the marine ecosystem. For example is the fish, crab, lobster, zooplankton, phytoplankton, starfish. So how they are interact with water, this constitute the marine ecosystem. Then biome. The terrestrial part of the biosphere is divided into enormous region which is called as biomes. Then come to the biosphere. Biosphere is the global sum of all ecosystem. Then we are moving on scope of environmental biology. Due to the rapid industrialization and agricultural development, the scope of environmental science has enlarged to encompasses several disciplines such as biochemistry, toxicology, environmental chemistry, and environmental toxicology. Biochemistry deals with the study of physical and chemical and biological features of land in relation to the biosphere. Toxicology is concerned with the study of adverse effect of chemical on living organism. Environmental chemistry provides us the information of nature of chemicals regarding classification, mechanism of action and release of chemicals in the environment. Beside all this, there are many areas of the studies in environmental science and these include environmental degradation, environmental analysis, environmental monitoring, ecosystem analysis, biodiversity conservation, population biology, environmental awareness and legislation. Environmental degradation includes the study of pollution, toxic agent, deforestation, desertification, etc. Environmental analysis is the use of analytical chemistry and other techniques to study the environment. Environmental monitoring is used in preparation of environmental impact assessment. It is the observation and study of environment. Ecosystem analysis is a mix of biochemistry, ecophysiology and micrometeorology that emphasizes the circulation, transformation and accumulation of energy and matter through the medium of living things and their activities. Biodiversity conservation is the protection and scientific management of biodiversity. Population ecology is the study of the process that affect the distribution and abundance of animals and plant population. Environmental awareness and legislation it is concerned with creating an awareness in the general public for environmental problems surround them through formal and informal education. There is also need for the state to enact the laws and legislation in order to protect the environment and quality of life of the organism. So student, this was the first lecture of the unit first, which was about definition, basic concept and scope of environmental biology.